Good morning, my friends. Welcome to a new day. So today I didn't plan a long video. I want to talk to you about the sound at home. My name is Tara. Welcome to my channel. I noticed, even through my work, I work as a yoga teacher. And in Kundalini Yoga, we say that rhythm and sound is very important on the way of the good practice. And we always encourage people to live with sound, with vibration, with rhythm. And the same thing is happening at home, because your life, it is your practice, your everyday practice, where you learn, you develop, you build the structure of your life, the skills, the habits, the patterns, your life, and the sound. What sound do you hear around you? How does it affect you? I feel that it is very important, and if you will think about all those places where you've been, your favorite coffee shops, your favorite restaurants, your favorite hotels, your favorite places where you've been, there is always a specific sound that make you feel comfortable, at peace, or maybe uplifting your soul, or make you more quiet, calm, make you to ground yourself. And this is the power of sound. What that's actually interesting. Do you hear this or not? But my husband is singing in the shower. This is morning sound of my home, and this is true. But I just, what I noticed, I try to implement different music into my home. And even YouTube, listening the long videos, or my favorite blogger on the background when I'm doing something at the kitchen, cooking, or cleaning, organizing. I like to listen something on the background, some person that brings me comfort, stability, good feelings, or, for example, there could be such a gloomy morning like this one, and I feel so less energy, but I see a mess at the kitchen, and I need to organize it, but man, I have no energy. Here comes the music. I turn on my favorite playlist, and you don't need to be a fan of music and to know all the bands. Just simply go on YouTube, Google music for dancing, for cooking, for and choose what you like from the playlists. You don't need to be a specialist for that, So I have my favorite playlist. It calls Dancing at the Kitchen, something like that, with orange picture on YouTube. And oh my gosh, I love it. I turn it on and I immediately and I start to clean everything, I start to it gives me this vibe, and or sometimes when we work, we like to turn on, soft jazz or lo-fi, this music, ambient music on the background when you want to you're doing monotone work, you want to go deeper in your thoughts, you you turn on different music. And I just find that sometimes I really forget about this, how powerful is the music, the sound at your home. But if you will remember Like my happiest memory from my childhood is when it was middle of the winter. I wake up, and you know how it's so hard, like I woke up and it is dark outside, and I don't understand, is it already morning because it's dark in the mornings in the winter, or it is the evening because it is like at 5 p.m., you know, it's already dark outside. So I don't understand. I woke up as a child and I don't understand like what's going on, what is, you know, is it morning, is it evening? And first thing that I hear is like my mom is sewing on her sewing machine. She's doing a new dress for herself, and I hear this sound. And you know, this like warm light of my bedroom and this sound, and understanding that it's cold outside, it's winter, it's so nice and warm in my home. Mom is here, she's sewing, I hear this sound. And just like the sound can transport you into another dimension, you know? The sound is going so deep within us, and certain sounds could be like this, my childhood memory, like vivid, you know, for life. And all those sounds at your home are so special, and they truly create the atmosphere that all the members of your family will remember, will appreciate, because it made them feel certain way at home. And for all of us human beings, home, it is so important. It is our castle. And yes, if this little tip, a reminder, will make your home better place, I would be so happy. Anyway, I will go. Today is the second day of my education. I continue my certification for yoga teacher. In my tradition, it's almost 9 years. Don't ask. Or no, you can ask. Comment down below if you're interested. But yeah, so I have to go. I love you so much, guys. Thank you for being here today. It's such a pleasure and joy to share with you those moments. And you are a part of the sounds in my home, because my family members, yeah, they live their life here, and they hear how, oh, Tara is talking, Tara is recording video, and this becomes a sound, a natural sound of the morning of our home. So yeah, welcome, and thank you so much for being here. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday.